Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Snowbeck. Today we're going to review for the quiz 2-1 to 2-3. You're going to need scratch paper, a pencil, and a calculator, so please take those things out. Great. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and try these 3 questions, and when you're done, unpause the video. Let's go over the answers. So angles 6 and 9 are inside of these 2 lines, which means they're interior, and they're both to the right of that other line, this green one right here. So those would be consecutive interior. Angles 4 and 11. Angles 4 and 11 are here and here. Those are outside of these 2 lines, and they're on opposite sides of the transversal. So those would be alternate exterior angles. And finally, angles 5 and 3 are inside of these 2 lines. Here's your transversal. So they are, one's above and one's below. Those are going to be alternate interior angles because they're inside of these 2 lines. Please pause the video and try numbers 4 through 6. Here you can see we are looking at segment FG and BC. Those would be parallel. Next we have segments DH and HG. As you can see highlighted in the picture, they touch, they intersect at point H, so they are intersecting. Finally, we have EF and BC, and those segments are on different planes and they are not facing the same direction, so they are not parallel and they will not intersect. They are skew segments. Please pause the video and try numbers 7 through 9. Segment AB and CG are skew. They are not parallel and they will not intersect. Segments DH and BF will be parallel. Segments CD and AD intersect at point D, so they are intersecting.